Kajingbon palat ki Jingkulmar hakapor Mynmiet. Kadai gadau ba kabapen long ka sorkar ban Phah Khang lut ki Dukan bar ki jaka bam ki badon hakeleng kanong ba Shillong tang supoi kapor shipau baji Mynmiet. Habapen banaya kani ka DC jaka East Khasi Hills kong RM kurba kala pentep baya kate karai kila shem hadien ba kila sakhi ya ka jinglong jingman saudong kanong ba ya ki kali ki ba pen he jingruai bat pen sawajam kabala pen wit hadu kata-kata ya ki pai ba.
Just that I have to say I've got several information that there's a lot of unruliness in the Shillong headquarters. We have so many incidents of arson, you know very well what I'm talking about. And we have seen that people are moving in and around, in vehicles which are having, loud music with modified system of engines and creating a lot of noise. So creating a very unpleasant feeling of fear, of uncertainness for young people to move around town. I mean, if you do go around town in the evening after 9, I don't know how many of you feel safe at all. So therefore, we have to take this decision. And after 10, I feel people should be going back to their families, should be going back time even for your workers to go back to their family. I mean, we should also think of, there's a limit for allowing people to open shop beyond 10 o'clock because of the various reasons of the consequences we're seeing in and around town that, it's not safe anymore. Even for ourselves to go back home after 10 o'clock, you don't feel safe at all. We cannot say that our police personnel will be in every town and corner of the Shillong city. It's very easy for people to say so. But for us who are implementing or who are, taking care of the security, we have to take what are the costs? Why are people going out? We have to weigh the pro and con. We have to see why these things are happening. There is a reason people are going out because there's an opportunity. So if we do close this shop, 10 o'clock, come on, yeah, any normal citizen would be at home at 10 o'clock. It will be there as long as until a little bit of sanity returns to the city. For that, I'd like to thank you all for bringing up the topic. It will soon be in place. Everything will be in place. We had some issues earlier. Now there will be no more issue. We'll have to do what we have to do. We are concerned of the citizen, the old people, the young ones. There's a lot of crime that's happening in the city. You must be knowing better than all of us sitting here, 3 of us. But we know the number of crime that is going up in the city. The drug issue that is there, everything is happening in the shelter of the dark. So we want to curtail all these issues, and for that matter, we had passed this order, and we hope that things will be improved, and that we'll see some sanity in everyone, and that even for any normal person, I said that by 10 o'clock people should be at home rather than here and there. Even your family needs you. Please take care of your family.